Hello guys, and welcome back to my XRP coin news channel. The SEC action has an impact on many investors' investments in Ripple. The enormous turbulence that led to the well-publicized forceful takeover is necessary to discuss. Can it be done? That is the question. Utilizing the most cutting-edge blockchain innovation, banks, payment processors, digital asset exchanges, and companies can send money abroad thanks to Ripple. It offers entire settlement methods and real-time foreign exchange remittance. For 300 institutional clients, including Santander and Standard Chartered, it facilitates international payments. It sold XRP in 2019 for a price of over $500 million, allowing the company to expand and acquire MoneyGram. The SEC found these enormous strides inconvenient, so the commission opened an inquiry into Ripple and charged it with raising $1.4 billion through unregistered exchanges. The SEC is also lobbying for XRP to be recognized as a type of stock or bond, which would subject it to stricter regulations. As a result, there was a drop from the record-breaking high of 30 cents on January 4, 2018, a 77% drop from AF, but a 500% rise from the cycle low. Currently, 50 billion XRP, or a cool $29 billion in wealth, are being held in escrow by Ripple. But a seemingly inconsequential tweet dropped a bombshell about this Bitcoin cash. The corporation might be forced to destroy everything, even if it didn't want to. If nodes, validators, and the community as a whole decided that it would be preferable for the district to do so, it is possible to burn the $50 billion XRP Ripple holds in escrow. Chief Technical Officer of Ripple David Schwartz later acknowledged that such a scenario might occur, assuming that the community could secure the votes. He writes that there will be nothing Ripple can do to prevent this from happening. Public blockchains are incredibly democratic. The minority has no control over whether the majority decides to change the rules. As a result, carrying out such a proposal would be impossible because it would need the backing of 80% of the network's validators. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse tweeted that the blockchain-based technology business purchased back Series C shares in December 2019 for an astounding $15 billion. At the time of the previous increase, the value of Ripple was $10 billion. It's interesting to note that Tetragon, which sued the internet giant last year, is currently repurchasing shares from investors. It should be made clear that, in accordance with a representative of Ripple Labs, Tetragon, a significant US-based investor, sued Ripple in January 2021 to get the business to repay $175 million in the Sockbachance case. However, a Delaware judge in the Court of Chancery rejected Tetra on Financial Group's acquisition motion on March 5, 2021. In a series of tweets, Garlinghouse stated that the takeover demonstrates Ripple's strong position. By 2022, the phrase "slow down" won't be used. According to him, our best year ever was in 2021, despite the challenges. Additionally, Ripple's financial standing $1 billion in banks was the best it's ever been. As a straightforward transaction token, XRP is not tokenized for monetization. Instead, a single global monetary system was intended to replace the whole global financial system. The majority of people must realize that XRP is distinct because it was created as a bridge currency as part of RippleNet's worldwide cross-border on-demand liquidity HODL system. Last but not least, every nation's legal cash will be digital and run on a blockchain. The current SWIFT global banking system will be replaced with the RippleNet protocol and its XRP ledger. Its transaction times are shorter, between 3 and 5 seconds, more precise, and cost only 0.1 XRP each transaction. For instance, a business can send $50 million to another nation in 3 seconds for $30. All of the world's fiat currencies, including gold, silver, oil, and gas, as well as global debt and budgets, will eventually be digitalized and stored on the blockchain. The XRP ledger, which uses XRP and its decentralized exchange to convert any digital purchase into any digital investment, will be used by Ripple to connect all of these worldwide assets. Any other number can instantly serve as the basis for any command. In other words, the RippleNet protocol will turn into the Internet of Money once it is fully functioning. In other words, you won't have to be concerned about the digital assets you have in your wallet when sending or spending money anywhere in the world. A vending machine created by NCR National Cash Register takes all digital assets and instantly changes them into national fiat currency when used in store or online. The government, obviously, given the potential applications and significance of XRP, will eventually outlaw selling XRP in retail. As XRP launched globally, its value skyrocketed when its intended usage was made public. We might observe a rapid increase in the price of XRP from $10 to $40,000 as a worldwide bridge currency. The market capitalization of cryptocurrencies has now quickly increased to nearly $1.7 trillion, net $25 billion in 2021, $4 billion in January 2022, and other digital assets surpass $75 billion have expanded quickly, as has the liquidity pool, which now totals $108 billion. The issue is how to manage digital assets like cryptocurrency and how this groundbreaking technology may enhance our economy. XRP is only used in investment contracts between owners and businesses. The long-term exchange to fund Ripple operations will continue to be all token sales, including secondary markets. Registration with the SEC is necessary for this complaint. The Commission's initiative is based on how the Supreme Court interpreted the Howey decision from 1946, which has since established a significant precedent for deciding whether a deed is a security. The SEC actions have impacted many investors' investments in Ripple. The anticipation surrounding the major required acquisition to survive is immense and demands discussion. Whether it can be accomplished once more is the question. Ripple offers real-time remittance exchange and total payment mechanisms, facilitates international payments for 300 institutional investors, including Santander and Standard Chartered, and uses the most cutting-edge blockchain technology to make it possible for banks, payment processors, digital asset exchanges, and businesses to send money internationally. In 2019, Ripple helped the company grow, sold XRP valued more than $500 million, and was bought by MoneyGram. These large movements with the SEC appear uneasy. Ripple was accused by the Commission of raising $1.4 billion through an unregulated exchange, and as a result, the Commission began an investigation into the business. Additionally, the SEC has designated XRP as standard collateral, just like bonds and stocks, subjecting it to more stringent regulations. Approximately 50 billion XRP, or $29 billion of assets, are now held in escrow by Ripple. However, a seemingly unimportant tweet dropped a bombshell about this crypto hoard that might force the corporation to destroy everything, even if they don't want to. If the nodes, validators, and the entire community agree that burning 50 billion XRP Ripple in an escrow account is the right course of action, is it possible to do so? Later, Schwartz acknowledged that if the populace had a vote, such a scenario might materialize. Ripple wouldn't be able to stop this, he claimed in his letter. Public blockchains are incredibly democratic. If the majority decides to change the rules, there is nothing the minority can do to stop it. Such a method cannot be implemented since it would need the consent of 80% of the validators in the network. You might be wondering why we keep XRP after a Ripple employee indicated that the company would not focus on the retail sector. Liquidity was required for people like us, retail investors. When Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP were founded in 2009, the explorers desired to visit and test the water. They were interested in seeing how Bitcoin would seem once liquidity materialized. People will undoubtedly make and lose money. But during the past 10 years, Ripple's focus has been on establishing utility tokens as the world's leading means of value transfer. We have made great progress. The breaking news is that insider trading occurs. When the price of XRP increases, someone purchases it. Why then do we own XRP? As Auto develops traction in the global fiat market, Ripple stated in its XRP market report that there is already a buyer for XRP on the secondary market and expects to keep buying at market rates. As a result, They continue to buy XRP for $1 to $6 as they can, and when the price increases, they transfer it to their XRP holding institutions or businesses. Many individuals will hold onto their XRP till the price increases and refuse to sell it at 100 once it has begun to ascend. Since we are talking about a utility coin, there is no going back. Market capitalization cannot have a substantial impact on utility-focused market capitalization because it is not volatile. To be alerted immediately whenever a video is published on XRP News, please remember to hit the subscribe and notify buttons. You may see our other XRP history videos. In the meantime, you may catch us in the video below. See you later. Bye.